In this video, we are solving formulas with an indicated variable. Let's look at our first problem. We have a is equal to a plus b over 2 times h, and our indicated variable is h. So we are going to solve for h. So in order to isolate h, I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite the equation. And the first thing we want to do is we want to multiply both sides by 2. And when we do that, our 2's cancel here on the right side, and we're left with 2a is equal to a plus b times h. Now the next thing we're going to do is divide both sides by a plus b. And when we do that, a plus b cancels, so we're left with 2a over a plus b is equal to h. And here we have isolated h, so h is equal to 2a over a plus b. And that is how you do the first problem. Now let's look at our second problem. We have y is equal to mx plus b, and our indicated variable is x. So we are solving for x. So we are going to isolate x. So our first operation is to subtract b from both sides. So we have y minus b is equal to mx. Now we want to isolate x by dividing both sides by m. And when we do that, our m's cancel, and we are left with y minus b over m is equal to x. And that is how you do the second problem. Now let's look at our third problem. We have a is equal to 2 pi r x plus pi r squared, and we want to solve for x. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is subtract pi r squared from both sides. So we have a minus pi r squared is equal to 2 pi r x. Then we want to divide both sides by 2 pi r. And when we do that, our 2 pi r's cancel, and we are left with a minus pi r squared over 2 pi r is equal to x. Here we have x by itself, but let's simplify this a little further. So we have a over 2 pi r minus pi r squared over 2 pi r. And here we can see that our pi's cancel and one of our r's cancel in the numerator and one in the denominator. So we're left with a over 2 pi r minus r over 2 is equal to x.